GP Women's College की Nauna Saba Girls Hostel Sangakre. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India की Senthang Makada, Directorate of Welfare of OBC and SC na Saba, GP Women's College Imphal gi OBC Girls Hostel ngasi athoiba mitung oina saruk yakiba Sagolban AC gi MLA RK Imona ribbon kaktuna college ta kusinabagi thawrama pangthokre. College asi gi principal Professor 𝙒𝙊𝙈𝙀𝙎 na thawrama pu oiduna pangthokiba thawramaduda Imphal Municipal Corporation gi Ward number 7 gi cooperator 𝑎𝑟𝑘 Ward number 10 gi cooperator Salam Tiken Singh, Ward number 3 gi cooperator 𝙂𝙄𝙍𝙍𝙍 amadi Ward number 4 gi cooperator 𝙒𝙊𝙎𝙍𝙍 na chingmana akhanaba mitunglen singoina saruk yaki. Thawramga mari lainana RK Imona haikibada arapadagi mahai tamba lakpa mahairoi singidamak yamna kudong chaba oiragani haibada haimanba thokloi. Nupi khaktagi oiriba college asigi mahairoi singidamak yamna chawthoksai. Mahairoi oiringai matamda matamangandana pandamamagi makhada hotnagadabani haiki.
They are coming from far-flung areas and they are staying in rental or hostel which is privately run in localities. My aim and objective was to stop or ensure that such students are able to stay in nearby or in their respective schools and colleges. Aduna madugi wakhan, madugi aim, madugi pandamda apoina ahamba project se thabasi 2016 da madugi school ani da apoi tokjagi bari. Now we've been able to complete the Johnstone School OBC Boys Hostel. We were able to complete the DG Girls Hostel. We were able to complete GP Women's Girls Hostel. And the fourth one, 𝑘𝑏𝑜L, is almost completed, 95-96%, and due for inauguration in the next month or so. Aduna, high embassy state government. I'm just giving an example of my constituency. But in other constituencies also, through their respective legislators or other leaders, state government, as you can see, the outreach in the hills also through this program